So I know that I just made a door knocker not too long ago, but I'm gonna make another, but in a more traditional way. The paint pen markings that I have on here hold up really well in the forge. They remain visible even after being heated. I'm making this door knocker and some other things for Lori Rogers. Her and her husband Scott, though they're not blood, to me they're family. If it wasn't for Lori and Scott, I couldn't have built the small home that I just built. So big thanks to them. So I'm messing around with this cutter and I'm not being real accurate, so I'm just going to switch over to using a slot punch. Maybe this one or probably this larger one here. This piece here has sharper edges. I think that'll be a little bit better for what I'm trying to accomplish. I need to give a big shout out to Stephen Watkins for his latest donation. He's been helping the channel steadily for a long time now. Thanks a lot. Wouldn't be complete without my mark. Okay, the base striking plate is done. Not trying to do anything too fancy, just simple. And now I'll move on to making a ring. I feel that if the ring has a little texture on it, that'll be a little bit more interesting than if it's just smooth. So I'm doing a little of the flying by the seat of my pants routine, just trying to make this ring to the diameter I want with whatever I've got laying around. And I prefer to do a minimal amount of hammering on the ring so as not to destroy the texture as much as possible. So I think I should change that gap just a little bit right there. Rather than just doing a butt joint, I think next time I have an idea for something a little bit different. So that's all there is to it. Just a simple, straightforward door knocker. I need to make a second one, and so if I have two that are pretty good, then maybe people will say, what a pair of knockers. But seriously, there are so many ways to approach a project like this and make it your own. I decided to put a clear coat on this, give it some rust protection. There's the final piece. The glossy clear coat highlights the contrast between the light and the dark areas. That's all for now, and you know we've got a lot more fooling around to do.